Hey, today in this video we'll be covering CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets and is used to describe how HTML elements are displayed. I've already coded a layout of some of the things CSS can do. First of all, in the body, it can change the background color. Right now it's in yellow. You can change it to any other color such as pink, blue, and etc. Okay. And next will be covering the others after I go through the basics of a CSS rule. It consists it consists of a selector and a declaration. A selector is basically the HTML element needed to be styled, such as the P, which is paragraph, H1, which is the heading or the first heading, the body, and the division. So for declaration, in it would be a property and a value. In order for a declaration code to run, it needs to be in curly brackets, not round brackets. As you can see right now, these are all in curly brackets. If I change, for example, the heading to round brackets, as you can see, it has different uh it has a different result. Okay, okay, next. There should also be a colon separating the property and the value. In this case, the color for the heading, the color is the property and the green is the value. If you do not have a colon, the color will not be green. As you can see here, it will not be green. Yeah, you need the colon to work. Okay, next, we have the semicolon behind. If there are multiple declarations made, you need to have the semicolon. If I remove this, the code will not run. You can see. Now, even though it might still run if there's only one declaration made, as you can see, but it is safer to just add the semicolon, yeah. Now, after some of these basic knowledge, it's time to get started on the different properties. Other than background color, there's also color, which changes the color of the text itself. Right now it's in green, as you can see, I can change it to gray. Yeah, okay. Another one is the text align. If I do not add the text align, the thing here will always be on the left. If I add it and I put center in it, it will be in the middle, and I can also put it on the right, depending on the situation. Yeah, okay. Next is the font. In the font, we can change the font family, the font size, and the font style. So for the font family, if the font name is more than one word, you have to use quotation marks, which is, for example, the Times New Roman. Since it's 3 words, you need to add the semicolon. If it's, for example, Arial or Verdana, you do not need the quotation marks. Next is of course the font style. In P2, which is the hello here, I put it in italic. You can change it to different depending on what you want. Other than that, another useful one is to create a box model. For example, in here it is this division thing. It has different properties, which is width, border, padding, margin, and you can also use background color. I'll explain it one by one. The width is basically the width. Yeah. So if I reduce it, it will become smaller. If I increase it, let's say 500, become longer. Next is the border. A border is basically this red color. As I color it red, you can change the color. Like if you put it yellow, it will just disappear. Yeah, you can see. Let's go back to red. This basically you can change the border to become, let's just say, more thick. You can see it becomes more thick. The padding, which is this cyan color inside, I put background color sign here, which is this place, is basically just the inner area inside the border. You see, if I increase it, it will become increased, but the border does not change. The margin is the outer layer. Margin is the outer layer. And right now it's yellow because the background color is yellow. But if I put 500, as you can see, it's gone. But if I scroll down, it's over here. Yeah. So basically the margin is the outer layer of both the padding and the border. Let's change it back to 100. Okay. Other than this, we also have the outline. The outlines is there's a style, there's a color, and there's also width. For the style, you can right now I put it as double line, which as you can see is quite small, but there's two lines here. You can put other styles such as dotted. See, it come dotted, and dash and other. You can also change the color. The outline, as right now it's red, I can change it to blue. And then it becomes a blue in color. And the width, right now I put medium. It can either be thin or it can either be thick. Let's say I'll put thick, and there you go, it becomes thick. So basically these are the common types you will use in CSS, and that's all. Thank you.